Racing just is started. We've enjoyed the magic. Break quick, let us start. Green Lexter, Royal Jade, Aktung moving up. Diagito is Funny's Charm comes next while Firestorm is the trailer and going along for the first turn. Royal Jade moving up on the outside. Green Lexter, Diagito comes next. Aktung then next on line is Enjoy the Magic is Spanish Charm while Firestorm is racing lens half mile distance they traveled. We have Royal Jade by about half length. Green Lexter in second. Jegito is racing into the Actung is down in fourth. Alongside comes Enjoy the Magic. His Spanish Charm comes next while Firestorm is still racing less. And at the far turn we have Green Lexter by our length and a half. Diagito in second. Royal Jada Actung is still in fourth. Then comes Enjoy the Magic. His Spanish Charm comes next while Firestorm still racing less as they swing for home. Green Lexter by our length and a half. Jegito is still in second with about 100 meters of the race. Green Lexter followed by Jegito by the rail. It's Green Lexter over Jegito, and finally it's Green Lexter. Jegito is Spanish Charm, then comes Actung, Enjoy the Magic, Royal Jada, and Firestorm.